Welcome back to Forever Learning. Today we're going to talk about how to color code your inbox. As I set up this site on both Facebook and YouTube, I wanted to make sure I could answer people's comments as they came in. So realizing I get so many emails each day, how am I going to find out which ones are important I need to go to? I thought, wow, I wonder if I could color code my inbox somehow based on my new account, Forever Learning. So I just did a little bit of searching and found out here's how you do it. So follow me to the computer. Here we go. All right, so here we are at the computer, and let's take a look at that color the emails in your inbox. So what I'm going to do is open up Mail. I should have mentioned this is for Mac Mail. So I'm going to open up Mail, and the easiest way to do this is to come down and select the channel you're looking for, or the email account you're looking for. So I have quite a few emails coming in right here. This is the one I'm talking about, Forever Learning Channel. Okay, so right here it's easy, I can sort them, but when I look at it in the grand scheme of things, all that stuff gets lost, right? So I want to change that. So I'll select the channel, the email that I'm looking for right here, Forever Learning Channel. I'm going to go up to Mail, Preferences. I'm going to create a rule. Here is my rule, but I turned it off for the time being so we could do this. And I'm going to create a new one so you can see it. So we'll go Rules, Add Rule, and we'll call this Email Color. And I can do this a couple ways. So if any of the following conditions or all the following, I can just use any is fine. And I can say if the to, who it's going to, contains, and it already populated my email address because I was on that email account. If I wasn't, I'd have to manually type in that email account, foreverlearningchannel@gmail.com. So if anything says to is going to that account, perform the following actions. So I just want to come down here and set the color of the message. I can do either the text or the background. I'm going to choose the background, and I'm going to make it purple so it's easy to see. So purple, we'll select purple as a color. Select OK. Now it says, do you want to run this rule on the messages that are currently in your inbox? Sure, let's apply that. Now sometimes this does not work and you have to restart Mail. I'm not sure why. It looks like it takes a little bit of time, but I'm going to hit apply. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and you can see right now it did not. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and restart Mail. I'll close out of this quickly. And I have noticed, I'll time-lapse this, but I have noticed it helps to wait about 15 seconds before restarting Mail. I'm not sure why. So our 15 seconds is up. We'll come back and look at Open Mail again. And I'll select it. And now you can see they're all turned purple. Now when I look at my inbox, very easy to identify those emails in my inbox. Very easy to see. Okay? So that's what I was looking to do. There's your tutorial. I hope this helped you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for other emails. We're always putting out new content. Remember, we are all forever learning. Well, that's our video for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below, or if you'd like to see us talk about a topic, I can do that next. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding the bell. That's how you see the new content coming, as we are all forever learning.